In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to resize an image on a Wix website with ease and precision. To start off, the first thing you need to keep in mind is to select the specific image you intend on resizing. Identifying your image isn't a complicated process. Just a simple click on the image will do the trick. Getting to this first step sets the stage for the mission that lies ahead. Once you have your image selected, the next action for you is to manipulate the corner handlers of the image. Now, you may wonder what these are. Essentially, the corner handlers are the tiny boxes visible at the edges when your image is selected. These are the tools that will come in handy when resizing. Upon identification, go ahead and start dragging these corner handlers either inwards or outwards to make your image smaller or larger according to your preference. I should point out a brilliant feature on Wix, which makes the resizing process much simpler. You see, when you drag a corner handle, your image will automatically resize proportionally by default. This means the original dimensions and equal ratios of the image will be maintained. It's quite an advantageous feature as it eliminates the worry of distorting your image unintentionally and the need for careful manual resizing. It does all that hard work for you, ensuring your image remains just as beautiful and symmetrical as it was, just in a different size. But what if you want to stretch your image, not just make it larger or smaller? Well, Wix has got you covered. You can easily stretch the image by dragging the side handles. For ease of reference, the side handles are the boxes on the lines that are not corners, but the perimeter of the image you selected. When these side handlers are dragged, they stretch your image either horizontally or vertically, depending on which handle you are pulling. Alternatively, you can also manually turn off the proportionate scaling feature in the image's settings. To do this, find the Settings option on the navigation bar, then proceed to the image's settings and select Proportionate Scaling. There you'll find an option to toggle it off. With this action, you are literally taking the bounds off your image, allowing yourself to freely manipulate it to the shape you desire. Resizing images on a Wix website is a pretty straightforward process. And with these precise instructions, you'll definitely get your image to the desired size and shape. Happy resizing!